Alright, when you finish your canvas, right, you can see your side here, right? Okay, it's white color. If let's say your wall is white, it's okay, then you just hang it with the white here, or not. You can cover with your color. This color, the full side. Okay, this color here. Okay, so when here, full side, already have a color cover. When you hang on the wall, your colorful wall, so they will be more nice compared with this. Alright. Okay, when you're painting, let's say you want to change your brush, right? This brush you don't want to use it. When there are left some color here, don't put here and let it dry, because the brush will be damaged. So the best way is put on the water and leave it, and then you change another brush and use it. So I change with dip on the water here until you finish your work, then you just take to wash it. So just tips for you to keep your brush in good condition, right? And for the colors, right, not all the colors you have to apply on the plate here. Just you can open and straightly use your brush to do it, but unless you scare your color will be dirty or you want to mix in your color, it's better you put at the plate here, right, to have a mixing. Or otherwise, you just close here. Remember, close your cover after you place the color here, because the color you cannot leave it like this. When it dry, it cannot be used already. Alright. Okay, I know everyone will have a problem when paint on the halfway. You scare your colors will dry. So, like example, you want to go for toilet very long time, I don't know. You can use your spray actually. Spray your color, okay, around. Okay, so to keep moisturize your color, to keep longer, and they will not dry so fast. If let's say you don't have sprays, you can go to take some water on your hand, just blocking here around, so we keep longer away from dry. So here's the tips for the keeping color not dry so fast. Okay, so when you're painting, okay, accident did one wrong, check if let's say it's not yet dry. Clean your brush, really clean, right? And then wash it. Use a tissue, make it dry. Make sure here your background is dry, so you can use this way. Alright, when you're accident paint the wrong object here and it was dry, don't worry. And you can paint the color to cover, but you still can see how. So for the darker color you need to cover, you need to use white color to cover one layer first and let it dry. Okay, after dry, you use the color to cover back. Okay, so first layer not so good, you can put another layer to cover.